Yes, students. Again, we all are meeting with the new topic of our first term in your second grade. Today's topic I have taken again with the patterns, but you will not feel bored because we are going to use patterns in simple scenery. Now, for creating this topic, we need one simple scenery which is actually, students, very easy. We need some curving lines, like use your pencil properly and just make the lines very lightly. Don't give pressure on your pencil tip. See, I have given the margin borders as we have discussed in the first topic. Then I make it a little bit small with the width of my scale. I keep the scale parallel with my page borders and create one more box for you. You can see like this. From here also I made the line, and from here also. As you can see, our box is ready. Now inside the box we are going to make scenery in a very simple manner. This line, which is going in a curve, it starts from here and just simply going over here. Then second line this side, and finally there is one more third line. Now three line which gives the effect of land, right? Now we need to add, as it is a scenery, everybody loves tree. Let us add tree in our scenery. There is a one curved line which is a light look of S shape. Now this S is like this, one more V, and there is a one more line which is going parallel to it, and my tree is ready. Now these lines are closing over here, but from here only it will goes like this. These are the branches from our tree. Okay, very simple and easy. Now we don't want to make it complicated. Just we need to add one house over here. For that, to make triangle, and there is a curve and one more curve, and there is a door for going inside the hut, and there is a sun with a semicircle only, and sun which is near to the clouds. Okay, just make two simple beautiful eyes and just try with some sun rays, simple sun rays, not very difficult or not make it very complicated, just a simple drawing. Add one more V and give one round circle, and children, our scenery is done. Now let us add some of the grass. 1 2 1 2. It starts from here, and from here it joins and come down. Now let us add 2-3 flowers around to our scenery. Students, this is your part 1 of this topic. Second part, we will continue with which pattern can be used in doing this drawing. So for today's work, you just finish your pencil outlining and be ready with your complete drawing work with black sketch pen borders. You can see your drawing is ready. And now I'll take black sketch pen. As you know, without sketch pen it won't look nice. I'm just giving a perfect border fast, and you can see how beautiful it looks. Sketch penning gives a finish look to your drawing, and once you finish border lines or sketch penning, it gives a very nice effect of artwork. Okay. don't give pressure on your sketch pen tip, otherwise it will become thicker than its point. Just use it lightly and go on your pencil lines, nothing else, just simple work. Here let us add branches. In the branches, let us add some leaves. So as you see, it's so simple and easy. It is not compulsory also to copy each and everything from this. You can try some of the scene or a drawing by your own also. अब हमारे बॉक्स की बॉर्डर बनी है, वो भी बना लेते हैं, जिससे वर्क हम बाउंड्री के अंदर ही करेंगे, इससे बाहर नहीं जाना है हमें. चलो, यू कैन ट्राई एवरीथिंग बाय योर ओन. ओके, इट्स सो सिंपल एंड ईजी. जैसा भी बन रहा है आप लोग से, आप अपने से ट्राई कीजिए. ये इतना डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है. जैसे मैम फटाफट आपको दिखा रही है, वैसे आप लोग भी अगर थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे, यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक इट fast like this. Now sketch pen work is over. Let us take eraser, just lightly. Okay, don't give lot of pressure, because if ink is wet of your sketch pen, maybe there were chances that it will spread and spoil our artwork. So this is only sketch pen ink and I am just using it lightly, but remove all the extra pencil lines. Okay, just do it lightly, very lightly. As you can see, our second topic, patterns in simple scenery, is ready, and now we will add colorful patterns into our work by adding patterns with the help of crayons, or you can use sketch pens, or you can use pencil colors. So be ready with your colorful sketch pens in our second part of this video. Thank you, students.